I survived a month-long journey to burn belly fat, inspired by the disciplined routines of celebrities. I spent every day pushing myself with targeted exercises that truly made a difference. My mission was clear: transform my body and feel great. I built a morning routine that kicked off with 15 minutes of crunches, leg raises, and planks. These exercises focused on melting away belly fat and strengthening my core. Mornings were followed by evening workouts, including Russian twists, flutter kicks, and side planks, designed to keep my metabolism revved up and target stubborn fat. Despite the challenges, from early mornings to busy days, I got incredible results. I noticed a significant reduction in belly fat, a more toned physique, and a boost in my overall confidence and energy levels. Tracking my progress with a fitness journal helped me stay motivated, celebrating small wins along the way. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now if you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues. Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Daily routine: morning, 15 minutes of crunches, leg raises, and planks. Evening, 10 minutes of Russian twists, flutter kicks, and side planks. Motivation and tips: stick to your routine even on the busiest days. Use a fitness journal to track your progress and celebrate achievements. Stay consistent and remember that small changes lead to big results. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. By adopting these effective exercises and routines, you too can achieve the results you've been dreaming of. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch your body transform.